Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this video, we are going to be learning how to log in to Circle K Easy Pay account. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. Circle K Easy Pay is a program that offers discounts on gas at Circle K stations. To log into Circle K Easy Pay, first of all open a preferred web browser. Now go to the URL box and type in easy-pay.circlek.com and press enter on your keyboard. Now you will end up in the sign up or login page for Circle K. Type in your mobile phone number, or if you want to sign in with email, click on sign in with email option and enter your email address associated with your account. Now click on the Let's Go button and enter your password on the next page. Once you are done typing in your password, you can click on the Let's Go button. Now, enter the SMS code that has been sent to you via your mobile phone number and click on Confirm Passcode and Continue in order to log into your Circle K Easy Pay. So that is how it's easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again with another tutorial episode. Thanks for watching.